98, 99, 100. Ready or not, here I come. Avery! I'm gonna get him this time. Oh, Avery! Hey, Josh! Hi, Avery. And hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Friday Fast Facts. I'm Josh Kirbach, and that is Avery Hodge. Avery, what are we going to be talking about today?
Josh, today we're talking about the importance of holding on to the original package.
Well, Avery, that sounds like a great topic. Well, what's so important about this box?
Well, Josh, you don't want to send back an upper control arm like this, back in a box like this. See, at Original One, we've already predetermined the weights and dimensions of every single box that we send out.
Well, Avery, if I'm following your line of thinking here, what I'm hearing is that whenever we ship a part out, we know its weight, we know the dimensions of the box, and in the unlikely event that the customer would have to process a return, maybe there was a total loss, the customer canceled, or any other factor, they would get a return label that would be specific to that part, to that box, that would ensure a speedy return. Is that correct?
That's exactly right, Josh.
Well, why is that so important, Avery?
Well, Josh, you see, it's going to slow down the entire process if it doesn't come back in the original box. We're not going to be able to process the return as quickly and get you that credit ASAP.
Well, Avery, that's very important. Let me tell you something else that's really important about the original box. Not just with Original One, but also with many manufacturers, it's important that you hang on to the original packaging because often it has a core return label in the event that you need to send back a core to get credit. Additionally, a lot of manufacturers, if it doesn't come back in the original packaging, you will only get partial or possibly no credit for that return.
That's a great point, Josh. I wasn't even thinking about that.
Well, Avery, here's what I know we've covered so far. We've covered the original box and why it's important, speedy return for speedy credit, and also the fact that there may be core or potential charges in not having the original packaging. Is there anything else that I'm missing?
Josh, I can only think of one more thing. You know, here at Original One, we take great pride in the way that we ship our parts to ensure that they arrive safely. So in the unlikely event that something has to come back, we want to ensure that it comes back just as safe. And that just makes the whole process better for everyone involved.
Well, Avery, that's a great topic. Thank you for joining me today. And everyone, thank you for joining us for another episode of Friday Fast Facts. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the original one.
And also remember, no word in the English language rhymes with month.